Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how the Snap software works. So Snap is a secure collaborative platform for online, mobile, and paper surveys. At the heart of Snap Survey is our survey software, a unique flexible platform for smart reporting, survey data collection, and analysis. It gives you the power to reach people at home, at work, or point of experience and capture richer data to give you greater insight. Now, here I will share with you the solution that Snap can provide us. We have the questionnaire design for survey design templates and branding, advanced setup, and complex functionality for multi-language survey. Under that is the survey design expertise that can gather useful, reliable data. And we also have templates and branding that can create templates that standardize the question asked and the way your survey looks. So everything from logos and layout to buttons and progress bars are consistent with your brand. It can also set up complex questionnaires on that. We also have analysis and reporting that written reports and tailored reports for smart reports that able to produce multiple complex variation of reports, and all the analysis and commentary can quickly be tailored to show result from the perspective of the report audience, such as a particular individual, region, department, or team. We also have the survey distribution and data collection that can set up and distribute online survey. Plus, we can also print and dispatch postal surveys. We have online surveys that can host and send out mail invitation with targeted reminders to your respondent. We also have the paper survey and multi-mode survey that can accurately key or scan paper survey response along to be collated in your snap file, SPSS, or CSV format and ready to be analyzed. We also have the copy surveys that work with the market research to set up survey for telephone interviewing or set up survey using your Snap Mobile Anywhere for your interviewing people in the field. Now, an automated, efficient, and enjoyable survey experience for you and for your survey participant through online, on paper, and on the move are the multi-format surveys that scan replies accurately and quickly and can distribute surveys online, on paper, and mobile devices. Offline data collection and interrupt online or offline mobile interviewing that collect data out in the field with Snap Mobile Anywhere. And we also have the paper survey scanning that manage survey schedule online, SMS, email invites, or email alerts triggered by responses and ease the burden of the data entry processed by the Snap Scanning Edition. It can easily scan unlimited paper questionnaire in varying orientation and sizes. Now, Snap Survey software includes innovative reporting analysis tools that help you obtain the insights you need. So there will be charts, cross tabulation, smart reporting to produce dynamic and flexible smart reports, summary reports and summary count that view instant summary of survey result pre-built for every survey with results updated in real time, and of course the analysis tools that simplify your data with Snapsuit analysis tool that refine, simplifies, and categorize your data. So it can help you make sense of survey response, use our range of analysis styles to present result clearly. Now, today I will train you how to create a survey questionnaire and how to set up your survey details by mass and test forwarding and some routing. And I will also show you how to create some variables that can be used on your survey. And then we'll go right through the publishing process and how to upload a published survey into a web host account. Once you start to open your Snap Desktop software, this window will be the first window that will appear, and this is called your survey overview list. It lists all the available survey that you have created here, okay? And then to create your survey, just click the plus icon here, the new survey icon, fill up the survey and the title field, supermarket, just click supermarket survey 1. Okay, also here for the title. Now, you can also choose the publication medium here that you want to create, where we have the web, paper, mobile, offline, and email. But for now, we will be using the web. And of course, the next we will use Snap Web Host template. And you can also choose any languages that you want, but for now we'll use the English. And for the template, for the style template, you can choose the template that's available, but since we'll be creating for web, just choose the default web and press OK. Now you will be redirected in this field, and this is the questionnaire design mode. This is where you enter your survey questionnaire. So I created already text here for the questionnaires that we will be creating. Now, since this is going to be for supermarket survey, you can just copy and paste it here or just type it in there. So copy and paste supermarket survey. Now, clicking enter will automatically add a subtitle to it. You can insert an instruction to it. Let's click enter. So subtitle is for the introductory of the survey. So I just created already the introductory. So let's just copy and paste it. You can put anything you want. Now then clicking next after the subtitle will proceed to the first question item. So click enter in your keyboard. Click enter. So this is going to be the Q1 or the question 1. So we have multiple types of survey type here. You can modify any type here. We have single choice, subtitle, multi-choice, open-ended, grid, or sliders, and so on. But now we will be using the single choice. Okay, now for this one, pressing tab for the first question here. Let's put first the first question. So like what I've said, I created a question already. So which supermarket chains can you think of? Then type in there. Now pressing tab from the first question item will proceed to the code label. So press tab. Okay, so let's try the pure gold. Okay, you can just type pure gold. All right. And then press tab again to proceed to the next code label. But if you already have got this one, you can just copy and paste it. Copy and then paste it here, and it will automatically run through it. Okay, now for the question number 2, we'll just press enter. Now we can make this as question number 2 as the part of the question number 1 by choosing it as others type. Click others. And it will automatically be an open-ended question that will represent the other option in the question number 1. Okay, all right. So please specify. Let's just copy it and place it here. Okay, others, and please specify. Now let's click enter to proceed to the question number 2. All right. So let's type again the question number 2 that we have here. So we have the question number 2, we call it, which is the first favorite store. All right, and then copy and paste it, of course. Okay, click tab to proceed to the code label. Oh no, just go again for the copy and paste. If it didn't run through, okay. Oh no. Okay, and then press enter again to go to the question number 3. All right, the question number 3 is which is your second favorite store? Okay, so this is gonna be the first favorite store, and this is the second favorite store for the Q3. Now you have to find again the choices, copy and paste. Okay, just paste it here. Will automatically. So for the question number 4, for Q4, just press enter again to add a new question. Okay. We just wanted to ask this, which brand do you usually buy for the sodas? And then of course, copy and paste it again if you want, if you already got this. Okay, it will automatically press enter again for Q5 or question number 5. Now, we already used single choices for the Q1 and Q4. Now, for Q5, we wanted to use other style. So we will be using the grid first. All right. So the question is, which sizes do you usually buy? We are referring on this Q4 for the sodas. Now for the code label, this is the label of sizes. Now, okay. Mhm. It's just paste it. It will automatically go there. And then for the sodas, of course, we need to have this. Just paste it there. Okay. So let's just copy and paste it one by one. Okay. Press tab to go to the next grid label. Pepsi grid label. Just press tab. Tab. Okay. Tab. Continue pressing tab. Okay. That's how grid works. So again, for the Q6, I have also Q6 question. So with this one, let's press enter to go to the question number 6. So code label, press tab for the female and male. And then Q7, question number 7, press enter. I have another question. What is your age? You can add what is your age and then copy and paste, of course. Okay, here, pressing tab, then you'll automatically go through. Okay, and then if you wanted to end this for the subtitle, you can add subtitles. So what you have to do is clicking enter again and then doing it as a subtitle. Okay, so you can just copy and paste it for the subtitle. Now we can always view how it look in a browser by going to the file menu, all right, and clicking on publish and save it and selecting the preview only. So we wanted to just check it first. And when you click publish, it will display the overall survey in the browser. Check the browser. Okay, so this is how it look like in the browser. So if you wanted to make it look more appealing, you can segregate or separate each questioner so that they can easily get questions across by just clicking on the question item. So what we have to do is by clicking them, so the page break. So clicking these questions, just click Control Shift B and you will see a page break. So question number 2, we'll do it on the question number 2. Control Shift B to create a page break. Control Shift B. Another Control Shift B. Control Shift B. Okay. Okay. And also on this. Okay, now let's publish and save it so that we can check if it's okay now. Preview and then publish. Okay, let's see. Right, so now you can see that the question is already separated on each pages. So clicking next will proceed to the next questionnaire. All right. Okay, that's how the page break works. Control Shift B. So now you can see the logo here. You can modify this logo and insert your own logo. So it will look that the survey is coming directly from you. You can just input there your company logo. Now, what we have to do is just go to the file, page setup to change the logo, and then go to the layout. All right, and then logo, click the logo, then browse. So let me check if we can go. Okay, photos. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's just try this one. We wanted to zoom it out. Okay, right, and press OK. So let's see if it's changed. Again, publish, save, and then preview only, publish. Then let's go to the browser. There you go. You see the logo here, and up until the end, you can see the logo of your company that you created. All right. Now, let's go again here in your survey. Now, we will let the user specify one of their favorite supermarket chains. We will be using the text, please specify one, this one. In the succeeding question, we will be replacing the text here in Q2. In Q2, we will be replacing the text here in Q2. In others, please specify one by the one being inputted in this box. So the code for this text box is Q1A. This one text box is Q1A. You can see it here. The Q1A. This is the Q&A code, and we would like to replace this text others in this Q2. Now, by what is inputted by the user. Now, what we have to do is sorry, let's go on this. Right click on this Q2, and then click insert, choose variable field, and let input Q1A, since the please specify code is Q18, and then choose title case. Press OK. All right, and we also wanted to go with the Q3. Same with that, the Q3. Right click, insert variable field, and then Q1A as well, and then title case. Right. Now, since we are letting the user choose their first and second favorite, we will mask this option in Q2 based on their choices in Q1. Now, in Q1, let's go back in Q1. This is a single choice, right? We choose this as a single choice. Now, and we'll be changing this to a multi-choice. Now, for us to change this to multi-choice, this one, and then changes to response, and then multiple. Okay. Now, you can see that it will automatically, the code box in Q1 will change into a check box. It's already a check box. Now, whatever was the choices in Q1 must be shown in Q2. So we will be applying mask, meaning whatever was the chosen among the chosen and Q1 will only appear in Q2. Now, to apply mask, let's go to Q2 again. Click the question item 2, this one, and right click, variable properties, go to mask, and then write this code Q1, since we need the question number 1 to be apply mask, or open parenthesis number Q1A, and then OK, close parentheses, number 8 times 8, since this is an 8 choices, including this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then close parentheses. So whatever the response in Q1 will appear in Q2. Now press OK. Automatically, the choice for the first favorite store in Q2 will not appear in Q3. So again, let's check again. So this code will, the question here, number Q1A, okay, this one, will generate a numerical value for the Q1A. When there is an input in Q1A, so Q1A, okay, means there is an input text in the open-ended question in Q1A or question 1A. And it will generate a numerical value for that and multiply it by 8. So it will correspond to the 8th item to the Q2. That's how it works, okay? Now, let's go on Q3. You would like to choose whatever what was not chosen in Q2 na to appear in the favorite choices in Q3. Now, what we have to do is click on this question 3 or Q3 and then right click variable properties. Let's go to mask again and then type not Q2 or open parenthesis num open parenthesis Q1A, okay, close parenthesis, and then 8 for the choices. So, close parenthesis. So, the choice for the first favorite store in Q2 will not appear in Q3. This is how it works. So, press OK. So, let's try to publish it. If it works, save it, preview only, then publish. And let's check. All right, clicking next. Right now, let's choose Ultra Mega, Walter, and others. And then Aling Nena Store. So let's click next. Right, so this one, Aling Nena Store, the mask that we created, appeared here in Q2. So let's choose your first favorite store, Aling Nena Store, and click next. So in next, you can see the second favorite store, first store, and second favorite store. Like for example, here in Q3, it's already appeared. Right? Now in question number 4, let's go on the question number 4. I would like to use an image map on this question. Now to apply the image map, click again to the question. Let's click here and then single choice to modify the single choice and click show. And then as map control, and it will automatically become empty. Click show. All right. So it will automatically become empty so that you can upload image on the map control. So double click it. All right. So I have already, you can import image. So import image. There you go. Now, let's zoom out. You can just zoom that out. All right. Now, for the mapping, you draw the outline for each image. Okay. Copy, paste, and bring it here. It here. Just copy and paste. Okay. Again. Copy and paste. All right. Okay, now what we have to do is you can assign the different codes for the images. So what we have to do is right click on the image and then click the assign code. So this is the 7-Up. Right click, assign code. This is Coca-Cola. Right click, Mountain Dew. Assign code Pepsi. Royal, True Orange. Sprite. All right. So, and then press OK. All right. So by pressing OK, it appears here, the images. Okay. Which brand do you usually buy? So yeah, we go. Now in Q8, just wanted to share with you that Q8 or the question number. We have the Q4, Q5 is already grid. This is going to be the grid type, Q6 and Q7. Okay. Now I just wanted to add another question here. So let's add Q8. So for example, you wanted to attach file or record a file. Question is, what else do you want to say? You can ask that. So code label. So let's change this to an open-ended. Then show. And then data picker. So auto, medium. And then here you can attach file. Now you can record or upload a record video here. So if they are using a web version, the recording will not appear, but they only need to attach the recorded file. Okay? But if create a different version of the survey via mobile, okay, let's create file via mobile. Just click file, editions, the new edition name. It's gonna be let's try mobile. Then the publication will be mobile, tablet, snap web host, and then load style, and then okay. All right, so you already have the mobile and the snap web host. Press OK. You already have this. Now, what we have to do again is, now we have a tablet version. This is on the tablet. Just go on open-ended, show data picker, show auto medium, and you'll see here that they can attach photo, audio, signature, like for example, audio. There you go. They can attach audio there already. Again, let's go again. All right. They can attach audio or signature or photo or keyboard in mobile. All right. But in Snap Web Host, they can only attach file. But in mobile, they can attach or upload any recording, signature, or photo. All right. Now you can attach record audio to your open-ended question. Once you press the record button here, you will be able to record whatever you responded will be saying on this question. Now we wanted to add geolocation. So what we need to do for the geolocation is go to the file, page setup, go to the paradata, go to the geolocation, and then click this using survey and then press OK. So let's go upward. Okay, there you go. It will automatically add the geolocation data here. This is automatically generated by the device. It would be better if you also hide this so it will not go. So just right click on it and then hide variable. So it will go here. It's gonna be work for mobile and for your web. Okay. Now, there are ways how to device get the geolocation, but certainly the device should allow tracking the location in the device, and otherwise it will not record anything. It's either the location tracking in the device is turned on, or you can have the Wi-Fi connected to the device. It can track location of the device, or either way, they should enable location tracking to the device. Now, let's see. Just publish and save it. preview only and publish. Let's see the question number 8. Okay. All right, next. Hold on. Bear with me. Ultra Mega, Walter Mart, others. Aling Nena Store. Then clicking next again. Okay, just wait. Okay, where you can see the first favorite, then next. Okay. Aling Nena Store ang favorite. Next. Okay, just wait for it. Which brand do you usually buy? They can just choose this. For example, Coca-Cola. Then next. Right, for this one, which sizes do you usually buy? This one. They can just choose whatever they wanted. Then next. Okay. Then are you female of male, female? The next on it. What is your age? Oh, we forgot to page the break. There you go. You can see and open a file attachment dialog here. So you can attach things there. So next will be the last one. So what we have to do is we need to page break that. Then click submit, of course. Okay, so we forgot to page break the question number 8. So can go here, Control Shift P. Okay. Now you wanted to know to complete the survey track. Now you can track it on the web host. The web host is here. So you will be given this one. Check, hold on. So this is gonna be the web host, the sub survey web host that you will be given. Just type the username and password, then click login. You can track it on the web host. In the panel, you have one. So I'll just save it first. Saved as, hold on, okay. Snap survey one. Let's just have it here. Okay. So let's go again there. So there you go. You can upload your survey here. Upload new survey, choose file. And then let's go here since we saved it here. Supermarket survey one. All right, let's close this since we're already done with that. Okay, upload it. All right, then upload. Let's just wait for it to upload. All right, now the one that we uploaded. Here, let's click it. Now in the panel, you have the completes, live interviews, uploaded, completes, cases, partials. You can see it there. But let's just find the one that we have here already. But once you upload it, it will automatically go here. So let's try this one first so you can see. All right. Now, with this one, you can see the live interviews, the uploaded, completes, cases, partials, and able. And in uploaded data in your questionnaire, you have the survey up and running. All the completes that are uploaded here, it will shown here. So partials, if used for web edition, if you allow partially complete data, it will automatically have the number in the partial here. And of course, but the mobile edition partial is not recorded because when you stop in the middle of a certain question and record all those answers will be deleted because you're not able to click the submit button. It's only collected when you click the submit in the end. So everything that is recorded in the mobile edition should only be the complete. So if you want to easily track down to your desktop, you can do that. Now, what we have to do here is let's go back to All right, in here to your survey, if you have the data already in your web host, you can just click the direct download button. So this is going to be the direct download button. All right. And everything that is collected, but for now we don't have, we need to republish it. So, but you can see here that in the direct download button, and everything that is collected in the web host will automatically be collected in your desktop. So you can also go to your data entry button, okay, on this one. Okay, so you can also go to your direct data button, so data entry button, so this one, data entry. So you will be able to see here the different entries that has the respondent was be able to collect. You can see the different answers in the question as a whole. You can see it here. As of now, there's no reply yet since it's we already created one. So for the CSV file, let's go to the web host again. So for the CSV file, go to the web host, go to the Analyze tab, and you'll be able to download a CSV file data here. But for now, you can see anything here for the CSV file, but you can download it here. For the CSV data, you can see the different answers you got from the respondents. Now, we wanted to create a quota on our survey. Now, what we have to do for the quota, go to the menu. Let's go back again to the survey. Let's go to the menu, tailor tab, go to the quotas, add. Okay, let's check first the quotas for your male and female. Which question? This is question number 6. Tailor quotas. Let's just click add, and then Q6. It's gonna be the Q6 male and female. You can see the male and female, and press OK. Then OK. And then after that, go to the weight tab. Then add. So let's just type, for example, gender, since that's going to be a gender. And then here, let's change it to 50. Then tab, press tab 50. And then check. All right. And go back again to the tailor tab, quotas, to this one, edit. Then way. Check the way that we created earlier in the way tab. Then you can see the way the 50 and the 50 that we created, and pressed OK. Press OK. Right. So let's go to our survey here in the web host. Okay, hold on. Right. So let's check again the one that we created. So this is going to be the supermarket survey that we created. Okay. All right. I think we need to save it. Okay. Need to save it. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay, so I have problems on that. So we can check on quotas here, the one that we inputted here in the way back in our survey. So the questions, code, target of the quota, current code, target, current, you can see it here. So you can test it and to preview the questionnaire. You can reload the survey and start the questionnaire now. You can see it there. You can also see these respondents, schedules, and you can also see your messages here. And of course, you can set up your, if you, where you wanted to start your project, end your project, email, reply to address. You can just type your email name, phone responses. You can do all of that on this one. So just the summary, schedule, messages, that's all we have here. So for the web host, that's all we have here. So that how it worked for Snap. So why Snap? Because Snap is ISO 2007-001, and our software and system are certified to the highest possible standards, so you can be sure your data is safe with us. It has ISO certified data encrypted throughout the survey cycle, data centers in the UK, and approved G Cloud service. So we also do support when you need it. We know your survey project is important. That's why our friendly UK-based support teams are only a phone call away, and UK-based tech support by phone or email. One-to-one tech support, we have that as well. Face-to-face online training, webinars and video support hub, webinars, videos, worksheet, and user forum. So we have a range of training courses covering every aspect of the survey process, including consultative style. Webinars and video or video library will help you make the most of Snap survey software, keep up to date with new features, and get expert guidance on subjects such as effective questionnaire design and analysis. Now, if you wanted to know more and wanted to start on your free trial for Snap software, you can just email me at nikki.sunga@mrdcsoftware.com. Thank you so much.